we're doing a little kayaking out on Lemolo Lake. There's Teresa. This is the lake. And it is an absolutely gorgeous, perfect temperature day. And we might have to get a little wet today too. That's Tom, Jen, Teresa, Rob, Muggy. This is the kayak launch, and the boat dock is over there for the campground. This is all the KOA up in here. Nice cabins to rent that are right on the lake. All right, we have kayaked our way. That's the campground right over there. And a couple of years ago, the first time, yeah, boat launch is right there. First time we came out here, we found this place, and it affords a nice little place where you can, bring your kayaks up and maybe take a dip. I don't think Teresa's gonna take a dip. Oh boy, that drops off like right there. What do you think?
Oh, I didn't know you were...
I'm talking to you, lady. Oh God, that just hit my region. Okay, so it's like 8:10 or whatever. So we thought we'd come back out here on the lake because, oh man, look at it. It's,
Now you can see Mount Thielsen.
yeah, Mount Thielsen. Where is it? It's back that way somewhere. It's right there. And man, the water's just nice and calm. We thought we'd come out here for a nice little paddle this evening. Paddle around for a little bit.
So we're here at Lemolo Lake. It's a nice evening, 8:15, 8:30-ish.
Yeah, something like that.
Yep.
Sunsets in about, probably about 25 minutes. And so we thought we'd come down the lake and get a quick evening paddle in. Anyway, this falls under the Campbetter category.
This is so much better.
So some of the camping that we like to do is just, the weekend getaways. But we're down here at this lake for a week, and this would fall under our destination camping.
Yes.
And we come down here because of this lake, and we're just about 12 miles from Crater Lake, and there's some awesome hikes. The last time we were here, we tried to find the elusive Lemolo Falls.
Yep.
And we're going to try to find them again tomorrow.
Yes.
Now, we got better
Directions.
intelligence this time. I think we actually got a map.
That'll be good.
Something like that. So we're going to try to find the falls tomorrow. But we got here yesterday, about a 5-hour drive from home. And we are, like I said, just in Southern Oregon. We're just outside of Klamath Falls, really, just by Crater Lake. So, yeah, it's 5 hours from home. So anything over, you know, that 3-hour mark is definitely a week-long trip. And so we bring the kayaks and we bring all the games, and
we have to bring all the food because there's not a grocery store within 25 miles, I believe.
something like that. The nearest one is where that gas station was.
Right. So we kind of overbought snacks, but we got all of our dinners and lunches and breakfast.
And of course, we're camping with our bestie friends, and they're out here on the lake. There's some of them right back there, and the other ones are right in that vicinity. Anyway, we're all out here just kind of paddling because, man, so we were out here earlier today,
It was real
paddled.
choppy because the boats were
Yeah, there was a lot of water skiers out here.
and
But we did get a swim in, and that was fun. So